My name is Will Noble and I'm the Director of Channel Development for UltraBac Software. I'd like to welcome you to the UltraBac Introductory Webinar. This presentation provides you with a brief history of UltraBac Software and its products. You'll learn more about who we are, see an overview of our award-winning product offerings and architecture, learn more about our product information and development roadmap, and learn why we're genuinely different in a crowded marketplace. UltraBac Software was founded 33 years ago as a privately held company and began its exclusive focus on corporate data protection with the launch of UltraBac for Minicomputers in 1989. UltraBac Software became a pioneer in the backup and recovery industry when it was the first solution written 100% from the ground up for the emerging Windows Server market in 1995. Since then, we've expanded our first-to-market features, developing a global presence. With its main office in Bellevue, Washington, less than 5 miles from Microsoft's world headquarters, UltraBac customers receive industry-leading technical support from our local call center. UltraBac's core products provide file-by-file backup, image-based backup with WinPE-based bare metal disaster recovery, and virtual host backup featuring agentless virtual machine protection. The software is available for both servers and endpoints, both desktop and laptop. Our virtual disk business continuity solution provides an always ready-to-use failover to a Hyper-V or VMware-based virtual machine using proprietary synthetic full backup technology. Agentless host backup provides a one-pass backup point-in-time restore of files, folders, and disks. UltraBac also offers Linux backup agents for file-by-file and image-based BMR for Red Hat, SLES, and OpenSUSE. Our software is feature-rich, including one backup engine that can perform both file and image backups in the same run, support for Windows Server, Vista through Windows 10, efficient use of system resources using API-based agents, and backup to literally any device. A centralized backup server with an UltraBac backup engine can easily back up networked machines using the remote local server agent. The RLSA does not contain a backup engine, but provides access to a remote machine's files, folders, partitions, disks, and other resources. A backup host machine can even write to a tape device or to a large capacity removable USB drive attached to another networked machine via an installed RLSA. This means that while UltraBac can write to any server A device, it can also write to any shared network resource or any physical device connected to server B, including tape drives, libraries, removable USB devices, or internal hard drives. With UltraBac, customers can decide whether to implement a centralized backup scheme where one or more backup hosts extract data off of remote machines via the RLSA, or users can implement a decentralized backup scheme where every machine has a copy of the backup software installed. This latter eliminates a central point of failure and allows multiple concurrent backups to run when performed to a local hard disk or shared network resource. We also offer flexible job scheduling, easy-to-use installation wizards, military-grade AES encryption, compression, safety net backup, and as you can see, much more. Strategic safeguards have been built into UltraBac's architecture, ensuring that backups run as scheduled. Safety net features include pre-backup media status checking, operator alerts, hardware failure redirect, media cascading to any supported device, SCOM compliance, bare metal restoration and hardware failure redirect, providing further redundancy in the case of error, along with dynamic virtual disk creation. The UltraBac Management Console can be installed and operated from both workstations and servers without licensing. Machines selected for backup require licensing, but licenses are not required for restores or to perform UltraBac management activities. This means UltraBac can be installed on any machine to perform local, remote administrative functions and file, folder, partition, or disk recoveries. This usage policy is only one of many money-saving features of UltraBac. Our automated deployment feature provides further savings. UltraBac also supports customized installation scripts and automatic SCOM-based reporting, creating unique reports for each backup. UltraBac also provides disaster recoveries of failed remote machines using hardware vendor-provided remote access capability. Large-scale customers will appreciate UltraBac Software's token-based enterprise licensing model that can be used across domains. Under this model, customers can even effect license transfers from one machine to another after a built-in wait period has expired. UltraBac is a highly modular backup and disaster recovery product with flexible licensing. You can start with basic file, image, or virtual machine backup, and then add additional licenses and agents as you need them by simply importing a license file update. In other words, every optional add-on and agent, except for the Linux agents, is installed with every version of UltraBac, and it is simply a matter of activating its license key file to use the agent just purchased. You don't have to download and install any new software on your existing machine or machines. UltraBac also offers several product bundles that provide greater purchase value. An UltraBac base product or an UltraBac engine license must be installed on a minimum of one server in a network. If a centralized backup scheme is desired, the load may require licensing additional backup engines in order to complete backups within a set window of time. Additional utilities and agents may be added as desired. Alternately, every machine may be licensed with a backup engine for a decentralized backup scheme. The advantage of decentralized backups is the elimination of a single point of failure and reduced time to complete all backups. UltraBac backup targets include disk, UNC, SAN, NAS, tape, media libraries, FTP, SFTP, Tivoli Storage Manager or TSM, and with the upcoming release of UltraBac version 10, native cloud support for Amazon, Microsoft, Google, HP, Rackspace, and OpenStack for the implementation of a private cloud. UltraCopy can perform copy operations to any UltraBac supported device, which includes all supported devices and the cloud. The following slides will describe our products in detail. UBDR Gold provides bare metal recovery, or BMR, of image-based backups. Full, incremental, and differential backups run at speeds up to 10 gigabytes per minute. Partition level, or single file restore, is supported for both GPT and UEFI disk formats. Microsoft's WinPE operating system is used to temporarily boot a failed machine from a CD, DVD, or USB thumb drive. Every driver necessary to boot the machine is automatically loaded. If the machine comprises very old or very new hardware, the process allows an administrator to inject a driver on the fly. WinPE provides tremendous BMR flexibility with the widest device support available for Windows-based disaster recovery. After booting a dead machine, for complex recoveries, UltraBac also provides physical to virtual, virtual to virtual, and virtual to physical migration and dissimilar hardware restoration capability. UltraBac provides granular file-by-file backup functionality. Backups are created using sets and groups, where a set defines the files, folders, partitions, and machines which will be included in the backup. A group defines whether or not the media will be cleared, the backup device, fail-safe measures, and operator alerts. Sets and groups are used by both file and image backups. File and image backups can be full, incremental, or differential, with a full set of features for each. Optional agents for MS Exchange and SQL provide API-based backup to ensure 100% restoration reliability. Locked file processing is included so that any open files are automatically and safely backed up, with point-in-time restoration rounding out the feature set. The Virtual Disk Agent is integrated with UBDR Gold. Options include creating only an image backup, concurrently creating an image backup and either a VMware VMDK or Microsoft Hyper-V VHD virtual machine file, and creating only a virtual machine file. A virtual machine can be created directly on a virtual host, by example, an ESX data store. Subsequent incremental backups perform an in-place update directly inside the VHD or VMDK file, essentially performing a synthetic full backup. After each UBDR Gold backup, the VM is ready to be configured and powered on. The advantage of performing an image backup with the Virtual Disk Agent is that the image backup process provides point-in-time restoration capability, along with the options for physical to virtual, virtual to virtual, virtual to physical, and dissimilar hardware, while the agent provides virtual failover in 1 to 2 minutes with no restore required. Several partition types are supported. Thin provisioning is also supported. When a Hyper-V VHD virtual machine file is created on a shared network resource by the Virtual Disk Agent or utility, the VHD file can be used as a secondary online boot option. The benefit is that the VHD file is updated by each backup so that it is always up to date. Not only do you get dual boot capability, but just as importantly, the VHD file can be mounted by a right click of the mouse through File Explorer. A mounted VHD provides immediate file, folder, or partition level recovery without first being required to restore from the backup. The Vsphere agent uses vStorage APIs, enabling agentless, one-pass backup for files, folders, and disks with restore capability directly to the same or different virtual host machine. Integration with change block tracking or CBT reduces both backup time and storage requirements, as well as providing faster restore speeds. Incremental backups provide point-in-time restores. Backups can process both powered on and powered off VMs. Users may also back up to and restore directly to an ESX host data store. The UltraBac vSphere agent will install on either a physical or virtual host, supporting multiple transport modes. Users may back up both powered on and powered off virtual machines with one-pass backup, providing file, folder, and disk recoveries. UltraBac version 10 will offer vMotion support, Linux virtual machine support, comprehensive and automatic virtual machine recovery, configuration, global changes, and power-on options for small to large-scale disaster recovery. The latter would automate the steps necessary for a data center with hundreds to thousands of VMware virtual machines to be recovered and made operational at an off-site disaster recovery location. The Hyper-V agent uses Microsoft APIs, enabling agentless backup for 2008 R2 and 2012 R2 Hyper-V environments. A backup server can either be a physical or virtual machine. Backups can be performed to any shared network resource. To restore, you may choose either a VHD or VHDX formatted disk. Users can also easily convert back and forth between the two file types. The agent can back up both powered on and powered off virtual machines using backup technology that captures files, folders, and disks in one pass. UltraCopy is a versatile and extremely useful utility in the UltraBac family of products. UltraCopy is designed to provide customers with the capability of copying and creating duplicate backups to the same or different media to eliminate the necessity of running live secondary backups. Combined with support for multi-tiered storage, UltraCopy provides some features of hierarchical storage management within an UltraBac installation. Further, UltraCopy can be set to run at specific times or when resources are free. A good example is where a daily backup is made to a shared network resource with a subsequent UltraCopy operation that copies the backup or multiple backups to a tape, a media library, or to a large removable USB drive. Why is this helpful? Now you have online backup for immediate restoration capability while also creating a backup to take off-site to insulate your organization against a catastrophe like a fire, flood, or other disaster that could destroy an entire computer room and all of your local backups. Aside from duplicating a backup, UltraCopy can also aggregate any number of disk backups and copy these to a tape drive, tape library, or USB drive and create a new and unique index that is written both online and to the media itself. This means a tape or USB drive can be sent from one location to another, with UltraBac being able to read and load the backup index directly from the media to begin performing immediate restores. UltraCopy can also perform FTP, SFTP copies, as well as tape-to-tape copies, including different media formats like DLT to LTO. With version 10, UltraCopy will support copying to the cloud for either tape or disk-to-cloud functionality. UltraBac's Linux agents provide image backup for disaster recovery with bare metal restoration, as well as file-by-file protection for granular backup. Locked file functionality is built into both the file and image agents. Customers using Red Hat, SLES, and OpenSUSE can perform full, incremental, and differential backups with point-in-time restoration capability. All major file systems and disk formats are supported. Installations are easy via repository or direct RPM. When the Linux agents perform the file and image backup within each protected machine, all other functionality is provided by UltraBac running on a Windows host machine. Integrating the Linux agent with UltraBac has the benefit of providing all management control, reporting, and backup target operations available within a mature solution that has been on the market since 1995. This means features like event logging and command line scripting are supported, as well as all logs and notifications being sent by text, email, or both. Lastly, all UltraBac backup device options are available, as Linux targets. UltraBac Software is working on some exciting new features and products in 2015. The near-term release of UltraBac version 10 includes direct cloud backup integration with all major providers, integrated file and block level deduplication. A deduplication server can be local in the cloud or a hybrid with both local and cloud redundancy. Version 10 release will also include an enhanced Vsphere agent that provides vMotion support, Linux VM support, and a fully automated, easy-to-use global disaster recovery process for recreating a complete virtual machine environment and cloud failover to a VMDK-based virtual machine. New management console functionality will be available toward the end of 2015 for controlling and scheduling network-based backups. So after all that, just why is UltraBac different? First, we're the only backup product with comprehensive native support for image backup to tape. We support all major tape drives and libraries. Further, besides disk, UNC, tape, TSM, and much more, with UltraBac version 10, we'll support multiple cloud backup options. Our safety net backup design enables media cascading and device failover, standard or virtual server, with point-in-time restoration within 60 seconds, all at SMB prices. Comprehensive VMware and Hyper-V failover is included. Our Tivoli TSM integration sets us apart as one of a very few products with this functionality. We provide integrated physical and virtual backup, plus integrated file and image backup in one product. We also support file and block level deduplication. UltraBac is widely installed in the Americas with customers also in Europe, Australia, Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Japan. Some of our installations include key government customers, thanks to our AES encryption and veteran-owned Made in America status. Other key customers are listed on this slide. In conclusion, UltraBac is a comprehensive, reliable, feature-rich, fast backup and disaster recovery product that scales from SMB to the enterprise. It is not only affordable, but provides customers with exceptional, industry-leading technical support. Thank you for your interest in UltraBac software. If you'd like to learn more about UltraBac or want to download a free trial of our award-winning software, please feel free to use the link provided or contact us by phone or email. Also, please remember you can always follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn for ongoing information. We're here to help you understand our products better and to help you maximize your return on investment with UltraBac. We look forward to hearing from you soon.